it's so busy. Double bookings, triple bookings, you know, we need another truck. So that's the demand.
One right in between you.
This morning I started at 7 a.m. I basically pull them out of the freezer and load them on the truck and bake on site. There is a lot that goes into it. We have one person who makes our dough and one person who makes our fillings. Everything in our restaurant is made from scratch.